Hello everyone, it's me Sanjeev Rawat and I am teaching mathematics. Today I am here for the small kids, for the junior level kids, to tell them about the short tricks to find the tables, and this is basically based on the pattern, and this pattern will be followed for only for 10 to 20. Okay, now I am starting it how to what are the short tricks to find the tables. If I am saying if I have to form the table of 10, then what I have to do? Now just see, if I am saying about the 10, then this is the number 10. This is the number 10. Then this 10 number consists of two digits. The first digit, this one is ones digit, or you can say it is unit digit. And this is of tens digit. Tens digit, and the combination is two digit number. This is unit one, or you can say it is ones, and this is tens. Tens means 10. I have to make a pattern. The most important is we have to follow a pattern. Pattern means it is a specific, some rules are there to find out the patterns. If I am saying about the table of 10, you can see if I am saying here, this is 10 into 1 is equal to 10 into 2. Suppose I am not writing the answer here, I will apply the trick here. 10 into 3, 9, 10 into 4, 10 into 5, and 10 into 6. Suppose 10 into 7, 10 into 8, 10 into 9, and 10 into 10. The last digit will be 10 into 10. The first one is 10 into 1. That is 10 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, while we are seeing the digits 10, you have to remember it. The ones, this is ones digit, which is at my right hand side, and this is tens digit, which is fit to my left hand. Okay. Now, you have to write here the table of 0. It is very simple table. The table of 0 means everything will be 0 here. This will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and finally this will be 0. This is the table for the 0. Any number is multiplied by 0, you are getting 0 itself. Then the second digit, that is for the tens digit, it is 1. That means here you have to write the table of 1. If table of 1 means 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now see, the table is ready. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. This is the simple approach. Now, what you have to do, you have to follow a pattern. Now, suppose the second example I am giving you, that is about the 11. For the 11. Now, I am writing here 11 into 1, that is equals to 11 into 2, 11 into 3, 11 into 4, 11 into 5, 11 into 6, 11 into 7, 11 into 8, 11 into 9, and 11 into 10. This is the table of 11. Now, when I am saying about the 11, just concentrate at the digits. The first digit is here 1. That is unit digit is equals to 1, and the tens digit is also equals to 1. Then what we have to do? First, you have to write the table of 1. Table of 1. The table of 1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here write here 10. 10. Then the second digit means that is tens digit, that is also equals to 1. Then you have to write table again 1. That is, suppose 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and write here 10 only. 10. Now just see here, 11 into 1, that is 11, that is it's okay. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, but 11 into 10, Here it is a problem. Here you have to follow the pattern. Pattern means this 0 will remain the same, but this 10 and this 1 will be added. That means 10 plus 1, that is 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. 11, 0. That means to 11 into 10, that is equals to 110. This is the table for the 11. Similarly, you can do it for the 12, you can do it for the 13. I will do it for the 13. Just see here, for the 13, I am again writing it here like this. Suppose table of 13, 13 into 1, 13 into 2, 13 into 3, 13 into 4, 13 into 5, 13 into 6, 13 into 7, 13 into 8, 13 into 9, and finally that is 13 into 10. Now to see here, I am saying about the 13. This table consists for the 13. The unit digit is equals to 3. That means first you have to make the table of 3. First you have to make table of 3. Then when you are writing the table of 3, then you have to write 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, and 3 10s are 30. First you have to write the table of 3. Then the second digit, that is 10th digit, that is equals to 1. That means you have to write table of 1. Table of 1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the table says 13 into 1, 13, it's okay. 13 into 2, that is 26. 13 into 3, 39, and 13 into 4, and the digits are here 3. Then what you have to do, you have to follow a pattern. You have to plus these 2 digits, means you have to write 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5, 5 and 2, that is equals to 52. Similarly, 5 plus 1, 6, 65, 6 plus 1, 7, 78, 7 plus 2, that is equals to 92, 8 plus 2, that is equals to 10, 104, this is 9 plus 2, 11, 117, and 10 plus 3, that is equals to 130. This is the table for 13. Now similarly you can define it up to 20. Now I am just telling the table of 19. You have to concentrate at the 19. Okay. Now this is the table of 19. This is a very important table, 19. The 19 means this 9 is the magic number. This has very fun. Okay. I always love the number 9. The 19 number means the digit, unit digit is equals to 9 and tenth digit equals to 1. That means you have to first prepare the table of 9. Okay, if you are not having, you have not learned about the table of 9, it is very simple. The table of 9 can be written as, first you have to write 9, then you have to reduce one number, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then you have to reduce it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 9s are 9 10s are 90. Now just see here, when you are seeing these numbers, it is very interesting. The sum of the digit, just see here, 0 plus 9 is 9. 8 plus 1, that is also equals to 9. 2 plus 7, that is equals to 9. 3 plus 6, that is also equals to 9. 4 plus 5, that is also equals to 9. 5 plus 4, that is equals to 9. 6 plus 3, that is also equals to 9. 7 plus 2, that is also equals to 9. 8 plus 1, that is equals to 9. And 9 plus 0, that is also equals to 9. Just see how interesting the math 9 is. The table of 9 is. Now, one thing I have observed about the 9, just see here, the first digit is 0, 9 and the last digit is 9, 0, means they are reciprocal. The second digit is 18 and this digit and this are 81. The digits are changed, interchanged. Here the ones place is 8 and tens place is 1, and in this case ones place is 1 and tens place is 8. Then see 27 and 72, these are also reversible, interchange. Then 36 and 63, they are also interchange. 45 and 54, these are also interchange. That's why it is called I called it a magic number 19. Now my aim was about to tell the table of 19. Then what you have to say, what we have to do, first you have to write the digit table of 19. Here I have written the table of 9 here. Then it will be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the table of 9. I have to introduce the table of 19. The unit digit is, tens digit will be equals to 1. Then we have to place 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What the pattern says? Pattern says this is okay. This will be 19 into 1, that will be equals to 19. This is 2 plus 1. The sum, you have to get the sum. 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3, 38. 3 plus 2, that is equals to 57. 4 plus 3, that is equals to 76. 5 plus 4, that is 95. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 114. 7 plus 6, that is 133. 8 plus 7, 152. 8 plus 9 plus 8, 171. And 10 plus 9, that is equals to 190. This is the table for 19. This is the table for 19. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190. The second method, you can also see, this is the relation between 9 and 19. If I was saying, in the case of a 9, just see, this is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. In the case of a 19, what you have to write? First write here 19. 19 into 1, that is equals to 19. 19 into 2 is equal to 33. Then 3, 8. That means first you have to write the number down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. First you have to write 9, similar to 9 table. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then this is 1, this is 3. The difference between these two are 2. Means 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2. That means if you are adding here 2, then you are getting 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 2, 19. Then this is the table for 19. 19, 19, 38, 38, 57, 57, 76, 76, 95, 95, 114, 114, 133, 133, 152, 152, 171, 171, 190 and 190. These are the uses of a mathematics.